I joined Vanta about 6 months ago because the mission to simplify and centralize security truly inspired me. And I am thrilled to be here. The innovation and pace of development I've seen here at Vanta is just amazing. Just look at all the products we've already announced today. And I'm here to give you an inside look at the ways that our partner team is supporting that innovation. So, as a reminder, Vanta is focused on three things: giving you that holistic visibility into your risk, enriching those findings with contextual data, and helping you efficiently remediate and track those issues within your organization. We do this in a way that is demonstrable to your customers and by building you the strongest ecosystem of partners to support you. And it's a big job because with all the technologies you're using today and the tools you're going to need to adopt tomorrow, Vanta needs to stay a step ahead so that together we're ready to face whatever comes your way. The Vanta Trust Management Platform is purposefully architected to support a growing ecosystem that protects your business and helps you grow. At the core is a network of partners that we've been building relationships with since the very beginning to support the platform as well as the customer experience. And so, if you're nervous about that SOC 2 audit window, we have you covered with the best auditors in the business. Last year, we introduced seamless audits, and over 1,000 customers have taken advantage of how easy we've made it to identify, select, and engage with auditors. And we're going to continue to grow this network with trusted firms like Ernst & Young and Shellman and over 50 other trusted partners. If you're looking for guidance and support in the strategy and development of an InfoSec and data privacy program, our trusted virtual CISOs and managed service partners are here for you. We've brought in amazing partners like Remetic and Cobalt.io and over 40 others that deliver for you all day in and day out. And because your business needs are growing and your technology stack is increasingly complex, Vanta established a network of integrations that automatically consolidates real-time information quickly and easily. The ecosystem of integrations lets you gather more comprehensive information in a timely and accurate manner, reducing blind spots between assessments. We automate 25% more tests here at Vanta. So with others, that translates to more work, less automation, and at the end of the day, more risk. And that is simply not the case with Vanta. Our approach to building these partner integrations has always been customer first, prioritizing partnerships with applications and systems that you all work in and day out. And we are extremely proud of our network of 70 plus partner integrations, and we're just getting started. In Q4, we're going to be releasing new integrations with folks like Zoom and Intercom and Salesforce and other great tools. Most notably though, I'm excited to share that we now integrate with Crowdstrike. Crowdstrike is synonymous with security, and we could not think of a better partner for our customers. And so you all can now connect Crowdstrike to Vanta to ensure your user access to those Crowdstrike tools is managed in accordance with your company's policies. And over 40 of our customers are already taking advantage of this integration. So with that, I'd like to welcome Taylor Sipperly from Crowdstrike to the stage to talk a little bit about the work we're doing together. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here at the inaugural VantaCon.
First one.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Great audience.
So I think I'm assuming most folks in the crowd know a little bit about Crowdstrike, but maybe kind of tell us a little bit about where you all are focused and what's new.
Yeah, absolutely. So at Crowdstrike, we're continuing to define the security cloud platform and stay ahead of adversaries. We've really been on a journey over the past few years to move beyond our endpoint capabilities into a more holistic threat platform covering cloud, identity, as well as enabling more efficient IT operations and observability. Additionally, we've been making significant investments in our partner ecosystem. Our customers are really demanding an open platform. And what we see is with the talent shortage gaps across the board, they really need interoperable experiences with best-of-breed solutions across the security stack in order to streamline operations for their analysts. Additionally, we see a high level of threat landscape increases across virtually all end markets, as well as companies of all sizes. So in order to better service that side of the market, we've developed product bundles, including Falcon Go, which was recently launched to help provide enterprise-grade security to the small startup up through the middle market more programmatically. I'd say we're working on a number of things at Crowdstrike. We think of ourselves as a 6,000 person startup, but I think those are the items that are most pertinent to the audience here today.
That's great. That's super helpful. You mentioned in there investing. Tell us a little bit more about the Falcon Fund and what some of your goals are there.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm proud to represent the Falcon Fund. It's the VC arm of Crowdstrike. It's really the largest security-focused strategic vehicle of its kind. We really seek to invest in the leading providers within emerging segments within cybersecurity. So Vanta is one of our largest investments and also our most recent investment to date. The goal really with the program is to create differentiated customer experiences. We think about the market as being very nascent and fragmented. A lot of security tools don't talk to each other. So we need to invest heavily in key partnerships in order to really create an experience where we're delivering more value that our customers can get from their existing security stack. So that's really the goal when we think about the program. We're looking for really the best companies, right, within markets that we know that our customers want guidance on and where we can really help with that.
Got it. So speaking of, and this is kind of the $1 million question, literally, for the audience, but what drove the investment and the rationale in Vanta?
Yeah, so listen, we fundamentally see Vanta as changing the way that companies scale their security foundations and create and maintain trust within the market. We also see a number of parallels really in the evolution of Vanta and what's happened with us at CrowdStrike. When we started out, endpoint security was largely a check-the-box feature. Vendors like McAfee and Symantec were dominating the market and really competing to offer the lowest cost antivirus solutions, and that was really working. But over the past 5 years or so, we've been able to take best-in-class technology that was designed for the endpoint in order to enable security across the IT estate through a single agent framework. We see a similar evolution in Vanta, with SOC 2 being the beginning of a journey to a holistic compliance and security posture platform. Additionally, we've been extremely impressed by your velocity to increase the functionality within your platform, and that's really stood out to us relative to others in the market.
Awesome. Well, hopefully those parallels between CrowdStrike and Vanta means a lot of great things for the customers in the audience.
Absolutely.
And then speaking of kind of looking forward, tell us a little bit more about the integration and the work that's been done, and maybe kind of what you're most excited about between us over the next year.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're really focused on bi-directional integration of our capabilities. CrowdStrike agent telemetries are very critical for maintaining security posture. So whether it's the detection of malware or vulnerabilities across the IT stack, we know that we have a significant amount of data that can help really enhance that Vanta posture picture for your customers. Additionally, we see a level of compliance and security convergence really within the market. We see a lot of our customers really on the security side as well, looking at assisting to maintain compliance visibility as well as policies that correspond to certain compliance frameworks. So, we really hope that our collective integrations will help to really bridge that gap, to help the convergence factor increase across security and compliance tools. Because what we've seen for the most part is data silos that exist within the market. And we think that your platform being built natively for integrations is a great way to deliver that value to customers.
Awesome. We appreciate that. And really, Taylor, it's been a pleasure working with you, and I'm truly excited about what we're going to be able to build together over the course of the next couple of years here. So thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome. All right. There's still more to our ecosystem expansion, though. So about a year ago, Vanta made an API available to our customers. This unlocked the ability for you all to access Vanta, to automate your environment, to use, let's say, Vanta's test results in your own dashboards, notify employees that a security issue has been detected, or automatically upload documents to simplify evidence collection. Pretty basic stuff. This was just the foundation though. A couple months ago, we introduced the Connectors API. Our partners can now, in real time, import real-time security information into Vanta. This lets our partners, your vendors, build these integrations, meeting you all where you are. And our customers, you all end up being more secure by having this real-time data flowing into Vanta, all under one roof that you can continuously monitor. We announced Connectors in September, and over a dozen partners have already built integrations. You heard from Steven at Incident earlier, but these integrations span key functional areas such as incident monitoring, task tracking, mobile device management, as well as security training. And in the first few weeks of this release, we've had over 30 beta customers already starting to leverage these integrations. So today, we are really excited to announce that the ability to install these partner-built integrations is now GA. That means that you all can now connect to more of the tools you're using on a daily basis. We're also soon going to be shipping a redesigned integration catalog so that you all can quickly and easily discover and put these integrations to work. And really, this is just the beginning. Over the coming months, we're going to be adding support for even more tools that help run your businesses each and every day, such as vulnerability scanners, as well as background check providers. And we'll also be making the existing API more powerful by taking endpoints from that customer-facing API and making those available to partners. And what this is going to do is open up the door for a whole new breadth of use cases. So if you're a network discovery tool, you could generate your network diagram and immediately upload that into Vanta. Or Incident can think about enhancing their integration by populating reports from your latest incidents, and you can track your security breach documentation in real time in one place. Our goal is to simplify and centralize security. Vanta does this again by giving you holistic visibility into your risk, enriching those findings with contextual data, and helping you efficiently remediate and track issues within your organization, all in a way that's real-time and transparent to your customers, helping you build and maintain trust. So let's end where we began. With all the different tools and technologies you all are using on a daily basis, we are confident that our growing ecosystem of partners is going to be a huge asset for you. Our auditor partners are there to streamline and simplify the audit process. Service partners to get you guidance and support installing and managing an InfoSec and data privacy program. And technology partner integrations that help you consolidate real-time information quickly and easily. All of this, our powerful and robust ecosystem, lets you truly use Vanta as that single pane of glass for understanding your security and trust posture. And as Christina mentioned earlier, Vanta helps you demonstrate the positive impact of these steps to your customers and others outside of your organization, putting trust to work to accelerate revenue, drive new business, and reduce customer churn. So with that, I am extremely excited to welcome our CRO to the stage, Stevie Case.